About the 1st of June, we started this project with our students. We had 11 students this year, and the students picked up really fast. And obviously, we're done ahead of schedule right now. I'm going to say the students learned a lot. There's no doubt about that. And we actually did some extra stuff in there just because we were getting done ahead of schedule. So we put some tile in there. And we did some extra stuff in there to for some of the students to gain a little more experience.
Trim, finish, framing.
Make sure you always toenail the plate, not the stud, because we want the plate tight.
They did the roofing, they did siding. I mean, windows, everything. So whatever came with the house, they learned how to do it. Drywall, finishing drywall, painting. So the only thing we didn't do is electrical and plumbing.
When you put your nails in, try to go right above where your studs are.
We framed in, we did the sheeting, the trusses, how to do that, and all the stuff that goes with it, like different codes of how you're building, like everything has to be a certain way. I knew a little bit of siding coming in, but I got more experience in it and setting windows. Pretty much everything from the ground up I learned. I didn't have too much experience coming in, but now I do know how to build the house from the ground up, which is really nice.
The weather was perfect. We never missed a class out here. We never had to leave because it was raining or the wind was blowing 80 miles an hour in the wintertime and it was so cold we couldn't work. So we worked every time we had class, we could come out and work, and we never got delayed that way. It really went well, and this is the first duplex that's been built on campus. It's been done before graduation. It's fun at the end of the year, and you can see when they get the projects done, they're happy. Everybody's all good friends now, 11 students, and they all got along, and they're all good buddies now. So yeah, it's rewarding.